TikTok, Reels. Which one is the best? Which one should you focus on? Which outperforms the other? That's the question of the day. I did a little experiment, and today I'm gonna show you my results. Hi guys, welcome back. For those of you who are new, my name is Angel. This is my second YouTube channel where I share behind the business of being an influencer and content creator. I am a content creator with over 1 million following across the board on all the social media channels. You can check them out below in the description box. But if you're interested in becoming a content creator and influencer, make sure to hit that subscribe button so that you can learn with me and from me. And also don't forget to click the notification bell so you get notified each time I upload a video. So today we're going to address this whole TikTok versus Reels, okay? I did a little experiment and I compared TikTok to Reels. So let me tell you a little bit about my experiment, okay? I am pretty much the same size on both platforms. It's pretty close. So on TikTok, I have about 80,000 followers at the start of the experiment, and I got the exact numbers, and I have about 107 on Instagram. I'm gonna give you guys the exact numbers so we can do full comparisons. Okay. So I started this whole experiment on February 25th of 2021. And what I did was for 7 days straight, I posted the same videos on TikTok and on Reels at the same time, and I have results of how they both performed. I literally uploaded daily on this platform. Some days one video, some days two, but I made sure to upload daily for 7 full days on both platforms using the same video, okay? I removed the logo. It wasn't like the TikTok logo, no. They were purely edited videos that I uploaded to both platforms. So my following on TikTok at the start of the experiment was 80,257 followers. I have my laptop here so that I can give you guys exact numbers and figures. And then on Instagram at the start of the experiment, I had 107 and 18 followers. I will put the numbers up here because I'm getting tongue twisted myself. But that's where I started on both platforms. So as you can see, I mean, I'm pretty much, you know, it's not like one is huge and one is small. They both are fairly, very similar in size. Just a little bit of a difference, but not too large. And so I make sure on Instagram for the full week that I did not do a lot of extra posting. I only did like necessity posts whenever necessary, usually for my Amazon live streams, because I do live stream on Amazon if you guys didn't know. So you can follow me there if you like shopping on Amazon and want my recommendations. This is actually, as a matter of fact, you guys, have you noticed I'm in a new setup? This was my studio I created primarily for my live streams, but I may be doing my videos for you guys in here too, but I may still do my office as well. So I only posted whenever necessary for Instagram, but it wasn't a lot. I didn't post in my stories. I didn't do, again, a lot of extra things that you can get followers from. I wanted bare minimum Reels. So this is a pure comparison of TikTok versus Reel from someone who has a very similar sized audience on both platforms, okay? And I post it every day, not just one video. It's really hard to compare one video because one video may do well on one or the other. So that's not really a good comparison. This is a full 7 days of posting a variety of videos on the platforms with a similar sized audience on both. So hopefully you get a really good idea of how the differences runs on the platforms. I'm just gonna say from the very beginning that like both platforms are really great for growing and they both have loads of potential. Reels is something that Instagram introduced to help give people organic traffic, because a lot of times, you know, that's what Instagram we struggle with, that organic reach, because it dropped over the years. I've been on Instagram a long time, okay? It's been about a decade, like it's been a while. But TikTok I got on 2019 and I have grown it fairly, you know, quickly, and the organic reach on there was crazy. It was very crazy. It's very great. So Instagram developed Reels to compete with TikTok, so to give you more organic reach, blah blah blah. I think you guys have heard this before. If you haven't, that's kind of the gist of it. Reels was made to compete with TikTok because everybody was kind of migrating to TikTok. So Instagram was like, don't go anywhere, we're gonna come up with something similar. Here's Reels, we're gonna give you organic reach. And here we are with Reels versus TikTok. So we're really gonna see which platform outperforms which. I got the results in, okay? I got the results. I got the comparisons. I'm gonna be showing you things and numbers on screen too, so that it's just not me reading numbers and telling you random stuff, okay? Now, I'm gonna tell you guys how the videos performed, how many followers I got over the 7-day period, and what I actually did was I gathered these numbers not at the 7-day mark. I actually gathered them more like the 10-ish day mark, because you know, some videos perform well not on the day of posting, but it can perform well a few days after posting. So I gave them a good amount of time to perform how it's gonna perform and for the algorithm to pick it up. So let's start. Day 1, my first video that I posted on both platforms, the results was I got 222 views on TikTok from that video, and I got 933 views from the same video on Instagram on day 1. Okay, so that's the comparison. So that day I got quicker traction on Instagram. So this same first video, after the whole 7 days of posting and my end results on day 9, letting them just sit there and to see if the algorithm is still gonna push them out, here's the results. That same video, end result number on Instagram was 6,547 views, and on TikTok it was 1,342 views. So with that video in particular, after a whole 9 days of running on the platform, that's the result. So Instagram Reels did perform better, but again, I didn't just want to do one video. I wanted to compare multiple videos after several days of posting daily consistently back to back. That's why I kept posting. So let's keep going and see what the results are. Let's look at video 2 that I posted, the same video. This was just within a few minutes, you guys, a few minutes. I got 43 TikTok views versus 137 views. And that was within, I think, the first maybe 30 minutes. So again, Instagram got quicker traction on Instagram. So day 3, the video in the first 5 minutes, okay, on day 3 on Instagram, within 5 minutes, okay, again, within 5 minutes of posting, day 3, that video on Instagram got 300 views within 5 minutes. Whereas TikTok, the same video within 5 minutes only got 19 views, okay? So, within the first 5 minutes, again, you're starting to see the trend. Instagram, I'm getting quicker traction on Instagram with videos. So that same video had over 1,000 Instagram views within 30 minutes and just 32 views on TikTok within 30 minutes. So I just gave you one video within 5 minutes what happened, and within 30 minutes what happened. So far, the one that's outperforming is definitely Instagram. You're getting a lot more traction there. That was a little bit of examples that I was pulling screenshots as I was going. Here's the full results for 7 days of posting. All right, for the drum rolls, please. I can't do drum rolls. Hopefully I can insert some drum rolls here. Okay, now final results from 7 days of daily posting on both platforms at the same time, as I let them go ahead and keep running for a few more days afterwards. Let's start with Instagram, because it seems Instagram videos just got quicker traction really well. Let's see the results. The total views on Instagram Reels for those videos came in at 52,985 views total. So right at 53,000 views, okay? Total followers on Instagram from those 7 days of posting. Remember, I didn't do any other outside posting. I didn't do anything else. And I pretty much used the same hashtags on both platforms, but I added a few more hashtags on Instagram just because you can do bigger, longer captions on Instagram Reels versus TikTok captions. But total followers came in at 107,056. So I got 38 followers from 7 days of posting on Reels and doing nothing else on Instagram, just focusing on Reels. For me, mediocre, but I know other people who have had huge results, so just don't look at me. I'm just telling you my results. So TikTok, those same videos, total views from all of the videos came in at 87,962 views. So 87.9, so right at 88,000 views. Comparing views, the 88,000 versus the 53,000, TikTok won overall. Even though they were slow to get traction, you know, TikTok algorithm has changed. It was not as quick as it used to be when I first got on TikTok, but it has slowed down some, so you gotta give it, I guess, a few days to get some traction. Some videos did perform better on Instagram, but one video went really good on TikTok and started getting a lot of traction, so that's why the views are a little bit higher. But if you look at comparisons, I did get more average views on Instagram than I did on TikTok, but I did have one video take off on TikTok, so that's why the views are higher. Now for followers, I ended up at 80,523 followers, so I got a total of 266 followers in that period on TikTok. So looking at the difference, 38 followers versus 266 followers, TikTok did win the game there. So overall, for the 7 days of posting, TikTok did outperform Reels with both views and both followers. All of my followers didn't just come from those 7 days of posting. Of course, it can come from my old videos as well, you know, so those are out there still running on TikToks. You know, they're also running on Reels too, because I do have other Reels out there too. But what I see from both platforms, and everybody's experience is different, so I know plenty of people who have performed really well on Reels and just went viral right off the bat and got lots and lots and lots of followers. So Reels is definitely a great place to be because it is organic. But for my comparison doing this experiment, TikTok did outperform, and I have found that, you know, Reels die after a certain, you know, length of time, whether it's a few days or a few weeks, whereas TikTok, it can your videos can go viral, you know, weeks later, months later. I have definitely seen it. One of my videos on TikTok is still going strong after it's been at least 9 months of that video. That video was a video I posted last year sometime. Like, seriously, it's one that's still just running. It's still going. It's gotten like over 10 million views, and it's still going. Like, it's still getting views and it's still bringing in followers. So, you know, I do see that. I think TikTok videos have just a longer length of running time in the algorithm. Like, it can still get pushed out, you know, weeks and months later, whereas Reels do get like traction days later. I've seen days and I've seen weeks even, but I haven't seen months. So that's something to just keep in mind and watch out for. So overall, I mean, they're my results. So it really kind of just depends, I think, on what you want. I recommend just doing both platforms. I mean, use their same video. Just, you know, don't do the logo. So I added mine in a different app, and I use the same video for both TikToks and Reels. So, you know, you can do both, or you can do one or the other. You can use that information to hopefully help you out to figure out which platform you should be on and which one you want to be on. So, you know, I think it's just a personal preference. I think they both will perform well. It just really depends on your audience and your reach also, and how good your video is. If it's good, it can go viral on either platform, because some videos performed much better on Instagram than it did on TikTok. And then some surprised me and performed well on TikTok than it did on Instagram. So there you go. I actually love TikTok. I am a TikTok lover. I think TikTok is just a really great platform to be on. It's easier to grow quicker because, as you can see, I've been on Instagram for a long time, and I've been on TikTok since September of 2019. So that's what, a year and a half, and I'm almost at the same number of followers that I am on Instagram. Isn't that crazy? Like, that's just mind-blowing, right? So, I mean, I prefer TikTok, but they both are great platforms. So, there you go. There you have it. I hope this helps you. And if y'all have hung in with me prior, I have preached this so many times. And I'm going to keep preaching it. Diversify your brands. Diversify. Okay? Don't just rely on one platform. Don't just be an Instagrammer. Don't just be a YouTuber. you know? Don't just be a TikToker. Diversify, because if you put all your eggs in one nest, first off, and you get cut, that nest get taken from you, get chopped down, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do, okay? So, diversify. So if something does happen, you have a plan B, you have a plan C, you have other sources to rely on, other platforms to rely on. So, you know, do both. Just do both, okay? Just do both. It's okay. Just edit your same video in another app and just put it up on both platforms, okay? Like, it's not really a lot of extra work. It's a little, not a lot, but you might as well, because I get brand deals on both. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, talking about pay rates, I haven't gotten brand deals on TikTok paying just as much as I have on Instagram. And I have gotten brand deals where they want me to do TikToks plus the other platforms. So you can package a deal. So you can get an Instagram post, a TikTok post, a YouTube post. You can do it all and get extra fees for that. So might as well be on all of them, make more money while you're out there. And, you know, get in the TikTok Creative Fund and get some change for your video views. I talked about my earnings on TikTok versus YouTube. You can check that video out if you're curious. And that's as of, you know, filming the videos. You know, who knows what the future holds. So I'm hanging in there. I'm gonna keep hanging in there and see what happens. So make sure to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and my experiment. Also, if you're curious as to how to make money on TikTok, I did a whole video on that, how to make money on TikTok. I've actually done them for all the platforms, including Facebook and Pinterest, because I am on all the platforms. You know, that's just me, a diversified content creator. But there you are. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video.